Hi, I'm Randy Altig from Quick and Easy the Costco Way, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare a delicious and easy fried rice using the very versatile Spam Less Sodium. In fact, Spam Less Sodium is so versatile that this dish can be made as is, or you can make adjustments based on your family's taste preferences. So let's get started. I've already taken my Spam Less Sodium out of the can and cubed it, and it's marinating. Now let me show you how I made the marinade. So we'll first add in the soy sauce, the mirin, the oyster sauce, and of course, a cup of brown sugar. Now what I'd like you to do is to really whisk this well and get it completely dissolved. Since Spam products always play nice with others, don't be afraid to change it up and experiment with other sauces that you love. And what I love about this dish is that it can connect a person to their heritage and also be a cultural experience for others. So we're ready to prepare our omelet. Let's go ahead and put a little butter in our pan, beat up these eggs, get them blended really well. We'll pour that into our pan. And we're gonna cook this into an omelet and keep it very thin. So it's perfectly cooked. Let's go ahead, we'll flip that over. And we'll remove that onto our cutting board. Our omelet is cooled, so we'll go ahead and we will slice that into 1/4-inch pieces. And let's set this aside to use a little bit later. If you're like me and watching your sodium, Spam Less Sodium contains 25% less sodium than Spam Classic. And here's a plus, it's gluten-free. Using a slotted spoon, I'm going to remove the cubes from the marinade into our saute pan. Oh, beautiful. Listen to that sizzle. Look at that color, and the smell is amazing. What you want to do is cook this over medium heat for approximately 6 minutes to caramelize just like this. And we're going to remove it from the pan in its separate bowl and set it aside. Now remember, do not get rid of this pan as we're going to be using it in just another minute. I'm going to put in my cooking oil and my carrots. And I'll saute this for 2 minutes. And I'm sauteing over high heat. Next, I'll add in my onion and garlic. And I'll saute those until my onions are translucent. Next, I'll add in the peas, diced pineapple, green onion, and my saved marinade. And I'll saute for about 5 minutes until my vegetables are tender. Did you know the Spam brand is 85 years young and is a cultural icon enjoyed by consumers all over the world? Today, Spam products can be found on many high-end menus, connecting with today's consumers in a way it never has before. Last year, the makers of the Spam brand even recorded its 8th consecutive year of record sales growth. It's an amazing product. Next, I'm going to add in my rice, which I actually cooked yesterday and refrigerated it overnight. The rice will have a drier texture, which works best for fried rice recipes. I'm adding in a 1/4 cup of marinade, and then I'll saute for 2 minutes. Now I'll add in my eggs. The final ingredient, the Spam Less Sodium. Beautiful. This will really get your appetite going. Let's fold it all together and make sure it's completely heated through, and then we're ready to serve. Now that you've learned to make this delicious fried rice, why stop there? Make sandwiches, sliders, pizza, kebabs, even ice cream and more. This list is endless, and I hope that you've enjoyed watching today's Spam Less Sodium fried rice recipe and learning about how easy and delicious it is to add Spam products to your weekly recipes. It's a staple in my pantry, and I hope yours. From Quick and Easy and me, enjoy.
Quick and Easy, the Costco Way.